In a significant step toward overhauling its ground force capabilities, Uruguay has received its first shipment of American-made military vehicles at the port of Montevideo. The delivery includes 6 Oshkosh MATVs and 6 Oshkosh 23 Malawian Quachas 6x6 tactical trucks, the initial tranche of a broader purchase under the United States Foreign Military Sales (FMS) program. This transaction is part of a larger deal finalized in 2024, covering a total of 36 M-ATVs and 60 MK23s, all drawn from the surplus inventory of the U.S. Marine Corps. This initiative is a core component of Uruguay's modernization strategy, aimed at replacing outdated Soviet and European-era equipment with more resilient and standardized platforms. The newly acquired vehicles are expected to serve not only in domestic military operations but also during peacekeeping deployments under the United Nations, which increasingly demand modern, mission-ready equipment. The foundation for this transfer was laid in mid-2023 when Uruguayan defense representatives visited the Marine Depot Maintenance Command, MDMC, in California. There, they examined decommissioned M-ATVs and selected 36 M1240 units, known for their high survivability against mines and ambushes. These vehicles are now undergoing a full refurbishment at Barstow, overseen by U.S. military logistics and command units including the Marine Corps Systems Command and the Southern and Indo-Pacific Commands. Repairs include comprehensive mechanical servicing and system upgrades based on visual inspections conducted during the visit. In a follow-up mission in June 2024, a second Uruguayan team evaluated the 23 Malawian Quachas cargo trucks, which also came from the Marine Corps' retired fleet. These robust, multi-purpose vehicles, integral to the Medium Tactical Vehicle Replacement (MTVR) program, are now queued for refurbishment starting in fiscal year 2025. Their overhaul will involve critical structural updates and component replacements to ensure operational readiness. The 23 Malawian Quachas acquisition comes at a crucial time. Uruguay has long relied on Ural 4320 trucks and older Dutch models, which are increasingly unsustainable due to a shortage of replacement parts and rising upkeep costs, issues made worse by the ongoing conflict in Eastern Europe. The 23 Malawian Quachas trucks, with their proven performance and adaptability, represent a leap forward in logistics support, tactical transport, and operational resilience. This acquisition follows a series of bilateral military engagements between Uruguay and the U.S., including the upcoming delivery of 14 Mamba 7 Malawian Quachas armored vehicles, scheduled for September 2024. These mine-resistant personnel carriers, armed with .50 caliber mounts, will reinforce Uruguay's mechanized ground units, forming part of a larger, unified transition to NATO standard equipment. The M1240 M-ATVs being transferred to Uruguay are equipped with the Objective Gunner Protection Kit, OGPK, enabling them to support either an M2 Browning machine gun or a MK19 automatic grenade launcher. Powered by a Caterpillar C7 engine and mated to a 6-speed Allison automatic transmission, the vehicle also features advanced armor protection, centralized tire inflation, and integrated electronic systems for enhanced crew survivability and combat effectiveness. With a top speed of 105 km per hour and a range exceeding 500 km, these vehicles are well suited for both reconnaissance and patrol roles in rugged terrains. Oshkosh's M-ATVs were originally developed in response to urgent operational needs during the U.S. campaigns in Afghanistan and Iraq. Over 8,700 units were produced after Oshkosh won the Pentagon's MAR-AP competition in 2009. The M-ATV combined Israeli-designed armor with Oshkosh's MTVR chassis and advanced suspension, offering unparalleled off-road performance in a protected platform. These vehicles have since seen extensive combat use in the Middle East and Africa and have been exported to a range of allied nations, including the UAE, Saudi Arabia, Croatia, and Poland. Uruguay now joins this group of M-ATV operators. These vehicles will be deployed across multiple missions, from border control to international peacekeeping, further integrating Uruguay into U.S.-led defense frameworks. The 23 Malawian Quachas, meanwhile, is a proven workhorse of the MTVR fleet, first introduced in 2001 to replace aging Cold War-era trucks. It features a powerful Caterpillar C12 engine, TAK, for independent suspension across all axles, and armor-ready cab configurations. Capable of fording over 1.5 meters of water and operating across rugged terrain with a payload capacity of 7 tons, the 23 Malawian Quachas combines raw power with modularity, supporting troop carrier modules, fuel transporters, and weapons system platforms. The Uruguayan trucks will be retrofitted with mission-specific components and survivability enhancements such as the MTVR armor system and optional height-reducible variants. The modular nature of the 23 Malawian Quachas allows for ongoing upgrades and customization to suit evolving mission needs. These vehicles are also compatible with U.S. military transport aircraft and helicopters, enhancing their strategic mobility for international operations. Globally, MTVR variants have been adopted by U.S. allies including the UK and Greece, and have seen service in Iraq and Afghanistan. Their reliability and versatility have made them ideal platforms for logistics, engineering support, and even experimental autonomous transport programs. With these acquisitions, Uruguay is not just upgrading hardware, it is pivoting toward a more interoperable and future-ready military posture. By adopting proven, modern platforms from American defense stocks, Uruguay is taking concrete steps to ensure its ground forces are equipped to meet the challenges of both national defense and global stability missions.